everybody, how's it going? I'm Seán Gavin here from America and McNeela Music in Dublin, and I'm here today to talk about the McNeela Cygnet Rosewood Flute in the key of D. This flute is quite nice. It's got a lined head joint, a tuning slide, one piece for the body, and then a foot joint. Each of these tenons is corked, which makes for a nice tight seal, nice airtight seal. And I'm gonna try a tune on it for you now called Rolling in the Rye Grass. So it's quite a comfortable flute to play. It's nice and light, which is great. It's a pretty standard hole spacing that you would find on most Irish flutes, but it has a nice bright tone, a little bit of a light, bright kind of a feel to it. It doesn't take a whole lot of air to fill, even though the holes are not exactly small, but they're not gigantic either. But it's very easy to fill. And it has a lovely tone. It's quite nice to play.